Hi everyone, I'm Mivumbi. Welcome to Make Money You. And today video I'm going to show you exactly how you can withdraw your commission from TikTok into your bank account. Exactly how you can withdraw your money from your TikTok account into your bank account. So let's do this. Come here, click there and come to Creator Tools. Now when you get to Creator Tools, you come here. TikTok shop for creator, click that one, and when you come here, click earning. When you get to earning, now this is your earning, and here you click withdraw. And when I get here, I can see how much money I want to withdraw. Here I want to withdraw all. And I'm going to click here withdraw now. So if I click here withdraw now, this money is going straight in my bank account. So confirm withdraw. Yes, I'm confirm withdraw. Withdraw is in progress. So this money is going to be in my bank account within 3 to 5 business days. It depends with your bank account. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Until next time, this is Mivumbi. Take care. Bye.